afternoon to all of you, especially Mr. Yeo Yong, Chairman of the Board of the Singapore Calligraphy Centre, Professor Tan, President of the Chinese Calligraphy Society of Singapore, honourable board members, friends, family, and fellow students. I'm very, very thankful to be here, invited on this occasion, and delighted to be here today on the occasion of this exhibition. And I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to all the students who have submitted the impact. For your dedication and perseverance and enthusiasm has created this wonderful event today. Without your work, we won't be having the showcase that we have here today. I'm of course excited to take the tour later and look at all the beautiful work that we've created. But give me some moments to just say a few words to all of you here today, okay? Now, the teenage years, all of you guys are in your early years of your childhood, and it's a very important period in your life. Because this is a period where your beliefs and your values are formed, and you develop a deep appreciation of things that you're exposed to. Today, you go to any household with teenagers, you'll see them glued onto their computer screen, on an iPad, on their phone, playing games. The fact that all of you here today have chosen to do calligraphy, to show appreciation of this very ancient art, is something that we are all very proud of and want to commend you for. This does not just show your respect and love for your own culture that is very deep in the tradition as well, but also demonstrate your pursuit of something deeper than that. The values and attributes that are important for someone practice calligraphy. And we all know it is not easy. But yet, you chose to do this because you love it. And that is something to be really proud of, especially for all the parents here today and teachers as well. Now, seeing so many of you participating in calligraphy, inheriting and promoting the traditional arts, it fills me with comfort and hope that Singapore is in good hands. Because the arts are as important, or if not more important, than the sciences and technology. Science can teach us how to do something. Be it surgery, be it engineering, it can tell you the recipe to do something. But it's the arts that teaches you the deeper meaning behind it. How do you communicate with people? And of course, it teaches us history, the lessons from history that we should learn so that we don't repeat mistakes that have been done in the past. I would like to commend the Chinese Calligraphy Society, for their tireless efforts. I understand you've been conducting classes for so many years, since 1994. I heard this exhibition. 1974. And they've been having Chinese classes since 1985. Earlier I took a tour of the center. We saw adult senior classes, classes for ladies, classes for children, and this is what art should be. It should be practiced across segments of society, not just by a group of people, but everyone. We all don't need to be experts in it. We just need to enjoy it, learn the value behind it, and we know what calligraphy teaches us: focus, patience, and we keep doing it again and again, perfect it. And that values that we learn from calligraphy applies to life, right? We face many challenges in life, and sometimes, once we do, we fail. Twice you do, we fail. But you keep doing it, and you get better and better. And this is something special that calligraphy teaches you that so many others are not in a position to learn it firsthand. As we reflect on the art of calligraphy, it is essential to recognize that in any society, it is very important to preserve our culture, our heritage. And in Singapore, we are so fortunate to be in a society where we have many cultures, and every culture is fighting, struggling to preserve its heritage. And that's important. We need to create the space, and that's why societies like this are very, very important. Pardon my Mandarin, I went to go and look for a Chinese proverb to reflect this. Okay? So, 前人栽树，后人乘凉。What we are doing today, all that we have here to enjoy, is because of the hard work of our generations what we have 59 years of peace and security. We just celebrated National Day, 8 days ago. We need to appreciate what our seniors, our elders have done. And while we enjoy the seeds of their labor, we cannot just eat the fruits and throw away the seeds. We need to pay it forward. We need to plant the seeds today so that our future generations can continue to enjoy fruits of their work. So with that, once again, I congratulate everyone. Thank you for having me today. It's a real pleasure. Thank you.